Hey, how you doing? It's me, Chuck the Chicken. And happy Groundhog's Day, man. And look who I have here. Mr. Punxsutawney Phil, the official Groundhog's Day groundhog. Isn't that right? Yes. Okay, so this is how it goes down. If this wuss sees his shadow, that means 6 more weeks of winter. If he does not, then it's the early spring, which means early mating season for me. Okay, Phil, look at all this snow. Come on. I had enough of this. Sure, it's pretty and stuff, but I want the spring. You're not going to see your shadow, right? We talked about this behind stage. Okay? Is that clear? Alright. Since I don't trust you, and we pulled this shit last year, I give you the whack. So, he's dead. Don't worry. We all have an early spring and early mating season, if you're a bird. So, happy Groundhog Day from Chuck the Chicken! I'm alright. Don't know how to worry about me. Why you have to give me a sign? Why don't you let me be? Bye-bye.